How's everybody doing? All right, that's pretty good. You guys win the class of the day. All right, how's everybody doing? There we go, thank you. All righty, first up, let's give away some money.
Some people must want some money, and we had some seniors working their butts off.
Hey, quiet. Thank you.
So, seniors are really definitely, they use the badge to kind of find out if they're going on the right career path, but we want the following students to stand up because we're giving out thousands of dollars today. At the end of this, come down, I'll give you your checks, we'll take a photo. We have, please stand up, Liz Dion, Hunter Hansen, Celeste Lugo, Lucas Paul, Matt Kirian, Brandon Rodriguez, and Alyssa Spalding. I'll stand up. We get $3,500 out.
Thank you very much. And a reminder to all of you to come down and get your picture taken with the big check. I want to recognize a student who actually had a really big achievement with the state of Maine. Kyle Petrovic. You want to come down and join me really quick? Okay, so Kyle, first time that I've ever heard of a student get this award, get this nomination. So Kyle is going to be working with the Maine Department of Education. They have a student cabinet where they take a student that applies and interviews and gets a position of a student cabinet member. There's one for every county in the state of Maine. And I am pleased to announce to everybody that Kyle has been chosen as the Kennebec County Student Cabinet Member for this year. Good work. Good job. We're all proud of you. Thank you. Good job.
Hey, this fall we had a great accomplishment for our field hockey team. They were honored for the Class C sportsmanship banner. We just got it in today. I just want to, could you stand for now so we can at least give you an ovation? And then we'll take pictures after you're done. Only one member of the field hockey team? 2? 3? Well, we have time, come on down. Come on, everybody in the team, come on down. Everybody here, we miss anybody? Smiles. And this will go up during the break.
Oh, yeah.
Congratulations.
Excellent job, field hockey team. All right. I think that's everything. Freshman teachers, please come on down. Alrighty. Who's doing the talking?
The Freshman Student of the Month recipient has been described as empathetic, a team player, and even sunshine personified. She brightens every room that she enters. She's able to change the energy of a room because she is a force of nature. She encourages her classmates and is a positive influence on others. She is known to be someone who students go to when they are having a bad day. She is a leader in every class and academically successful. In all ways, she represents what is good about our school. The Freshman Student of the Month is Meadow Bradbury.
Congratulations, Meadow. And would the sophomore sophomore teachers come up?
The Sophomore Student of the Month is being recognized as an exceptional individual who exemplifies the very essence of academic excellence and admirable character. She embodies the ideals of preparedness, high achievement, likability, unwavering integrity, collaborative spirit, and commendable openness to feedback. With an unparalleled work ethic, she approaches challenges with enthusiasm, consistently achieving outstanding academic results while fostering a positive and inclusive environment. We are delighted to present this award to Bree Prentice.
Excellent job, Bree. And junior teachers, junior.
The Junior Student of the Month for January has started off the year right. With a great report card for quarter one and just a good start to the second quarter, the student does a great job being responsible for her education. She always makes sure to have her work completed and to be ready for any assessment given. In class, the student not just works hard, but also has a great attitude. With her friendly demeanor and positive attitude, she's always willing to lend a helping hand to other students who may not quite understand the material the class is going over. It is for these reasons that make this person a fantastic student, and the reason that Kira Dennis is the January Student of the Month for junior class.
And last but certainly not least, can I have the
There are so many outstanding students here at Winslow High School. So many of them don't get the recognition they deserve because they are unsung heroes or because they fly under the radar. This Senior Student of the Month is one of those individuals. This senior is simply a terrific young individual. A good friend of mine has a saying that goes, "The only way out is through." This young man embodies that. He's fought hard to be where he is. Instead of quitting and sliding into negativity, he takes advantage of opportunities around him. He doesn't just do the assignments, he shows genuine care in everything he does. He is proud of his grades, he is proud of how he deals with life, and it shows. Additionally, this student has shown exponential growth in his 4 years here at WHS. From starting out as maybe not the strongest student, he has made leaps and bounds year after year to get a place where he has become a solid member of the Black Raider family. He's a thoughtful and passionate writer, and he's simply just a good man. The Student of the Month is proudly given to John Sibbons.
All right, before I send you back to homeroom, this time of year, a lot of us get a little extra pep in our step. Things, you know, we greet strangers with a smile a little bit more often. We might say hi to somebody. We just generally are a little nicer, generally. It's a perfect reminder that we never know somebody's whole story. Every single person you come in contact with, every single day, you don't know really anything about them. Even your friends, there are times you don't know the struggles that they may have outside of school, outside of that friendship. Now I say that just as a reminder that as you go about in the halls, in town, wherever you may go, realize that you don't really know somebody's struggles that they may be going through. And in doing that, treat everybody with kindness. And if you treat everybody with kindness, I can tell you this is going to continue to be the best high school in the state of Maine. And I forgot one more person. Sorry. It was actually the biggest thing on that piece of paper. Mrs. Vicky's going to come.
Hi, everybody. We had a number of students accepted into the Kennebec Valley Honors Chorus and Band and Orchestra, and I just want to recognize them. For KB Honors Band, we had Will Parent, Travis Letourneau, Mr. Bell wants you to come down. Travis Letourneau, Riley Grenier, Kelty Pooler, Aubrey Moores. Aubrey Moores. Riley Grenier, Riley Grenier. For KB Orchestra, Waverly O'Toole. And for KB Choir, Max Williger. Lydia LaValle. Caitlin Gibbs. Jocelyn Lizotte. Griffin Griffiths. So these are the folks that auditioned for and were accepted into the KV Honors Music Festival. These two lovely humans who are still here were also accepted into the All-State Choir, which is a huge accomplishment that not very many get to do. So extra congratulations to Caitlin and Jocelyn for acceptance into the All-State.
Congratulations. I'm done embarrassing you now. You can go sit. Great job.
Before we go, I wanted to recognize a couple of records that were broken recently for indoor track. One person broke a couple. He didn't only broke them, he shattered. Mr. Joey Richards, please stand up. Joey broke the 200 record with a time of 23:53. And Joey also broke the indoor triple jump record with a 42:11. And then I have on the, see if I can find the names. Okay, you don't have to help me this, you don't have to. On the 4x4, Braden, Joey, Justin, and who am I missing? Ethan Rank. If you guys could all stand up, you recognize too. That's another great record we set this year. Congratulations to all of you.
Yeah, they didn't just beat the school record, they shattered it by, I think, 10 seconds, if I remember right around there. Great job. So as I send you back to homeroom, my last thing for you is, be kind. It costs you absolutely nothing. Have a great day. At the end of the week, have a great vacation, and